Can you say daw muna, Nixie? Oh, can you say muna, Nixie? Ay, can you say, gusto mo lalabas tayo, go out tayo. Can you say Tisay? Can you say Teya? Can you say Dang? Oh, gusto mo go out tayo. Can you say Dang? Can you say Tatay? Can you say Buboy? Can you say Tita? Oy, can you say Jade? Ay, ang galing Can you say Jude? Can you say daw dinosaur? Oh, can you say daw dad? Can you say daw up? Can you say down? Asan daw yung head mo? Where is your head mo? Nandun sa mo, go out na tayo, dali. Mag-shoes ka na. Asan daw yung head mo? Asan yung eyes? Asan yung ears? Asan yung nose? Asan yung cheek? Asan yung chin? Asan yung baba? Asan yung leeg? Asan yung leeg mo? Leeg? Asan yung leeg? Asan yung tummy? Asan yung feet? Asan yung head, shoulder, ikaw up ka. Head, shoulder, knees. Oh, marunong ikaw nun? Go nga. Head, shoulders. Where is your shoulder na? Uy, ang galing nga. Asan yung knee? Uy, ang galing nga. Asan yung toe? Ang galing nga. Again. Head, shoulder, shoulder, knee. Again. Up ka. Saan mo go tayo? Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Oh, again. Faster. Head, shoulder muna. Up ka, up. Head, shoulder muna. Head, shoulder. Asa yung shoulder mo? Oh, knee. Knee nga muna. Asa yung knee mo? Oh. Shoulder. Tamad. Can you say daw no? Can you say yes? Can you say yes? Asa yung shoes mo? Can you